So I'm here at a house making it ready for rent, and thought I would share this idea that a past customer of mine shared with me, and that is using simple wire nuts to close off caulk lids or tubes, whatever. And what I like about it is it unscrews like a screw. See here, we can do this all one-handed, and those little like threads in there. Now I try to keep my tips pretty small opening. I can see if you over tighten it, you're going to mess that up. But typically, whenever I was working with him, he pulled out some tubes that had been sitting around for years, and it was good to go. There was no problem using it. But there we go, just a couple of twists, and it's on there tight. I've bought and used a lot from the different stores, and I've not been happy with anything I've found. I've put nails, I've put screws in the lids. Everything has a tendency to distort it in one way or another, and a lot of them just get dried in place and don't come off. And even if this dried up in the lid, you're going to be able to unscrew that and get that off there. So very happy with this little hack. Those are about the biggest. They're not the biggest wire nuts, but they're just about the biggest wire nuts you're going to find at a Lowe's or Home Depot or Ace Hardware for that matter. They don't have to be flat topped or anything like that. As long as they're the big, probably blue, I think they coat them. I'm not an electrician to tell you, but I think they coat them blue. You see, it's not even sitting straight on the tube. It doesn't have to because of the way the threads cut in. So that's it. This is something I found very helpful. Hope you will too.